Welcome back to everyone. Today we have Sunbridge 2000 and we have a completely short circuit in DC section and I am repairing in this large screen this inverter board. Okay, the model is Sunbridge 2000. The first I need to watch this live stream on your device. I need to check the video. I need to okay. And live not stating. Okay. I need to look this some time later. Now I need. Okay, you can zoom at yourself. Okay, because sometimes you will miss the view. Okay. First, you need to check the battery side, negative and positive. And as you can see and as you can hearing the beep sound, we have a completely short circuit in this section. Okay, and we have broken pins of source. You can see the MOSFET source pin is broken. So first we need to remove this MOSFET from this board. Okay, first we need to remove this capacitor. I am not finding, I cannot find my this live stream in my device. First I select the live together for some advanced feature, but I cannot see my live stream and I am not any viewer. I have not any viewer for this video. So first I need to check what the issue we have on this live. Okay, finally I found the video. Okay, the video quality is not good. I'm providing a 1080p. Okay, I need to select. Okay, I think the internet quality today is not good. I have just one viewer, and this is me on another device. Okay, I found one more viewer, so it's okay. First, we need to remove this capacitor. First, I need to install my T-tape cache and wait for it to heat up. Just in some seconds. Okay, let's heat up. Now I need to remove this capacitor. Melt this 2-pin solder at a time. And as you remove, okay. And we don't need to remove this because we can install and we can remove And now we need to remove this capacitor. First, you need to cut the glue. Okay. And after that, you need to melt this 2-pin solder at a time. And after that, you can remove easily this capacitor. Without damaging any print. Okay. You can remove easily. Keep on the side. We need to remove all this MOSFET from this board. I have a call. Hello? Hello, जी. वालेकुम सलाम. أنن بقول مجيزة لجماري مخبورة مخشش كم سنة تكلم. لكن كم يوم غطو دا غطو برونس كنا أتارنو تشسر. زه ګورم چې نن یو کوشش کوم. او دی دا جوړم کوم پور کیم څه د تاړو شي. زه ګورم کوشش کوم چې نه دې کوم. ها صحیح صحیح. Okay. And now we need to remove this another capacitor because we have this MOSFET. So we need to remove this. Melt the solder at a time. Okay. Like this. And easily remove. Okay. After that, I need to remove this MOSFET screw. And after the MOSFET removing, we need to share some knowledge about the control drive for this MOSFET, the PWM for this MOSFET, pulse wide modulation. Okay. I'm guiding you how you can check properly the PWM for this MOSFET in this live stream. Okay, I remove all the screws from this MOSFET, and now I need to separate this from heatsink for easy removing. Okay. Now you need to melt this pre-solder pins at a time, and after that you can remove easily. Okay. From everything you can remove the MOSFET like this. You need to melt all the solder pins of this MOSFET, and after that you can remove easily. Okay. And we have a broken source pin, so we need to remove the source pin from the PCB. Okay. Here we have one MOSFET source pin. Okay, I remove this. Now I need to remove this side of MOSFET. Set your soldering station on 400. Okay. We have a broken pin. Okay. Broken source pin. Broken broken, so we need to remove this 4 source pin from PCB, melt the solder and remove easily. First, okay. Now, how you can check control drive for this with theory, okay? And I also found the result, true result with this theory. Set your multimeter on continuity mode. Okay, first I need to check. It's okay. I need to keep here. Now we have no any short circuit in this because we remove all the short MOSFET. And now you can check. You need to check the gate drive resistor. Here install the 10 ohm resistor. First you need to check all the resistor, and this is the easy way. You need to keep on this side, and this is the gate pin. Here we have 10 ohm resistance, okay. After that you need to keep on another gate, okay. That's true resistance. Mean our resistor is okay. 3, 4, okay. This is the one method. Now we need to check the gate drive resistor for this side. So keep here the multimeter, and you need to keep the multimeter other probe on gate pin. Here we have 10 ohm resistance. Here we have 10 ohm, and this is the third. Here we have 10 ohm resistance, and here we have 10 ohm resistance. Okay. And after that, the one more important thing is here, get to source discharge resistor. Okay. So here we have 4 MOSFET and 4 MOSFET get drive resistor and source to get discharge resistor. Okay. Here we have, this is the ohm law. Side list. Write some theory. Here is my marker. Okay. Here we have 4 MOSFET. Okay. And one side. Okay. This is the pin number 1, 2, 3. Pin 1 is gate, 2 is drain, 3 is source for all this. Okay. So here we have a gate to discharge resistor like this. Okay. 20K, 20 kilo ohm resistor for 1. Okay. And like this. Okay. 20 kilo ohm. And for this, we have 20 kilo ohm. For this, we have 20 k ohm. Okay. Now we have a parallel circuit for this source pin like this. Okay. We have a parallel connection. So it means or this resistor, one side is all in the parallel, and after that we have here a 10 ohm resistor for gate, and here we have, I have a call First I need to receive. Assalamualaikum. Yeah. Charging. Say that. Say that. Six. Hmm. Say. Say. Kasi rolling. Era ho. Si wo kata sini dia boleh bata di. Yes, wo kata sini terus mana patan ni kira official website kan. Ada baguan ke mewa kartola sa bati juri. Ha. Say. 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 Seguro mo card dia tu jab बीमार में था ना. So after that we have this PWM modulator. Okay, this is the pin number 1. Some country are marking this dot for pin number 1. Some countries are marking for top side or pin number 1. This, and some countries are marking here a line for the top view. Okay, but this is the good thing to create here a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here we have 16. Okay, so this pin number 11 is connected as this for all this get resistor. So finally the meaning is that here we have a 4 resistor of 20 kilo ohm. Okay, and the one side of this resistor is already in the parallel with source pin. Okay, and after that this another side of this 20 kilo ohm resistor we have with 10 ohm resistor, and after that all in the parallel. Okay, because the PWM modulator providing a PWM for all this MOSFET, for all this 4 MOSFET. So here we have a 20 kilo ohm resistor. First we need to divide this with ohm law. Okay, we need to just a calculator. So I need to move my power point to view a calculator. Okay. My old cell phone. Here we have 4. Okay, and the one resistor value is 20 kilo ohm. So first we need, and 1 kilo ohm we have 1,000 ohms. Okay, so we need 20,000 ohms. Okay, this is the 20. We need to add 1,000 to 20,000 ohm divided by 4. Okay, so we need to check here. We need to have 5,000 ohm now. Okay, because we have some tolerance in resistor. So after that, you need to set your multimeter on the resistance mode, ohm mode. Okay, and you need to check here one side like this. You need to keep on the source pin and the gate pin. Okay, this is the theory of this circuit diagram or schematic diagram of this gate drive resistor. Now I am just keeping on the source pin and on the gate pin, and here as you can see we have a 4,929 ohm resistance. That's mean at okay. Now we need to check this another side. Okay, 4,901 ohm. Okay, and if here you have an ohm resistor, so it means your PWM modulator is short internally. So you need to remove and replace this PWM modulator. Okay, and after that we need to check our DC to AC section. This is the pin number 1, gate to drain, 3 source. You need to keep your multimeter negative on the pin number 2 drain. And here we have a true continuity of MOSFET. Okay, true continuity, true continuity, true continuity. And here we have a short MOSFET 1. Okay, and these two MOSFETs in the parallel. So here we have a short continuity. I am telling you now how you can find the short MOSFET in this board, because we have a two parallel. Okay, like this. So keep your multimeter positive on the pin number 3, and here you need to keep here. Here we have 454 ohm resistance, and now we need to check this another parallel, and here we have a very low resistance, so it means or this MOSFET is short, so you need to mark this. Here we have a short resistance, sorry, here we have, so you need to mark on this soldering area to remove this. Okay, and now we need to check here, and here we have a completely open value. First I need to check. Okay, this MOSFET is okay, this MOSFET is okay, this is the control drive continuity. Okay, and here we need to check this. Here we have a short continuity, so we need to mark on this source. We need to remove this two MOSFETs from this. Okay, so the one MOSFET we have from this side, number 3, and number 5 from this side. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, we need to remove this third MOSFET from here. First we need to remove the screw of this. Okay, now we need to remove a 5 number, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this thing is not good for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, So okay, now we need to remove or separate from the heat sink. Take care of thermopad. Okay, and this is the isolator. So okay, now I need to remove this first. One, two, three. Okay. So okay, four, five. Okay. Now we need to check the MOSFET. HU. Okay. This is the MOSFET one, two, three, four. Okay. Before the removing here, we was add a short resistance, and as you can see now we have a true resistance because we remove the short MOSFET from this two. Okay, and now we need to check here. As you can see here we have a true resistance. Here we have a true resistance. Now we need to check this. Okay, first we need to remove this solder. I need to install this. And how you can check the N-channel MOSFET with multimeter. Keep the multimeter negative probe on the pin number 2 and positive on the 3. And here we have a true resistance of this MOSFET. Okay, and now you need to switch this MOSFET, but this is the required thing. You have a battery in your multimeter, 9 volts battery. Okay, you cannot check with 3-volt battery multimeter. And after that you need to apply a positive probe on the gate, and now we need to switch our MOSFET, and we need to have a 0 ohm resistance, as you can see. Okay, this MOSFET is true. I now can check this, apply a gate voltages. Okay, and now you need to check this MOSFET is okay, and after that you need to off the gate. So you need to keep the negative on the gate after that. Okay, this is the true MOSFET. Now we have a 0 ohm resistance, and now if we provide a negative on the gate, so now we need to have this. Okay, now I need to install this MOSFET here. Why? I need to install. Remember this thing you need to install with isolator. Okay. After that, we need to tighten this. But you cannot tighten this, so you need to keep this little screwdriver. Okay, and you can tighten this perfectly with this. Okay, because here we have no thick body. Okay, now we need to install another screw with isolator. Here, it's a little difficult area. And now you can tighten this with this little flat screwdriver easily. Okay, because you cannot tighten this with this screwdriver. So, okay, apply the required force. Okay, now I need to solder this. Now I need to boost my soldering station. Okay, I need to clean this from soldering plugs. After that, we need to clean this from solder. For this operation, I need to install this. Take care of soldering this source to get discharge resistor. Okay, and you need to check again after the removing this solder. Why my it is not working? Oh man, I think I lost my tape. Yes, this tape is damaged. Now I need to remove it. This. Okay, now we need to check again if we lost a get to source discharge resistor. So we can find the resist with the help of ohm. Okay, we have 4737 ohm resistance, and here 4731. It's okay. And why? Because the resistor are hot now. So you need to know about the resistant temperature. If you provide a heat to resistor, so the resistor resistance is downing with hot. Okay. Now you need to check 400. It's okay. And now you need to just replace these MOSFETs